Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is The Ants. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about words showing possession. Before this, in English for Grade 1, I have already taught you words showing possession. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to identify and use words showing possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 116, all are obedient unto him. Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse tells us. All are obedient to him. To whom? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what all means? Everything. Have you ever thought that sun rises from the east every day? Your heart is beating all the time. Your lungs are pumping air all the time. So beta, everything in this universe is obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They follow Allah's command. So we should also try. We should also be obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? Now look at this word him. This word him is telling us about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So such type of words, what they are called? Okay, first you tell me what are possession words and what do possession words show? What do you remember about it? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, what are possession words? Possession words are my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. All these are possession words, right? And where do we use them? What do possession words do? Words showing possession show ownership. Basically, they tell, if we're talking about object, an object, whom this object belongs to, who is the owner of this object or this thing, these words show that, right? How do we use them? It is his house. So this is house is a naming word, right? And who is the owner of this house? His means a boy, a male is the owner of this house. This is his house. We are talking about, for example, he's Ali, this is his house. So his refer to a male owner, right? This is her car. So who is the owner of this car? A girl. For example, I say she is Amina, this is her car. Okay, so it means her shows a thing, any object which belongs to a female, means the owner of this car is a girl, a lady. All right, okay. Their house is beautiful. So this is their house. They are my friends. This is their house. Their house is beautiful. This is how we use it. And there shows the possession of this house. Okay. All right. It is my new laptop. Okay. So who is the owner of this laptop? I. This is my new laptop. Okay. So this is how we use words showing possession. So this laptop is, who is the owner? This is my laptop. I am the owner of this laptop. Okay. So this is the function of words showing possession. They show the ownership. Who is the owner of this thing, this object, or whatever we are talking about, right? Okay. So how do we use it? If subject is I Then word showing possession will be used my. I am your teacher. This is my pen, right? So my shows first person I, okay? We are students and this is our classroom. So this shows word we use our, okay? You are my student and this is your lesson, okay? So your is for second person. He is my brother. This is his bike. So his is used for a male honor, okay? She is my sister. Here it should be she. She is my sister. This is her pen, right? So her shows a female honor, right? It is my dog. Its name is Fifi. All right. And they are my friends. This is their house. This is how we use words showing possession. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do? Teacher will collect some objects from class and every object should belong to the students and teachers. Okay, so we are going to collect different objects from everyone and teacher will show an object and ask this object belongs to. Students will tell the objects belongs to by using words showing possessions. Okay, this is her, this is his. So this is how you are going to answer. Pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now, let's practice it from your book. What we are going to do, you will choose the correct word that shows possession for each sentence. What you are going to do, you will read the sentence and there are two options. You have to choose the correct one, okay? Amna loves dash mother. So, Amna is a female and word showing her possession will be, I told you the answer. Okay, this is how you will read the sentence. Carefully select the word showing possession and complete these sentences. Pause the video, complete this task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using words showing possession. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do, first you will match these 2 columns and then you will select the correct words showing possession to complete these sentences. So what we have learned today, we learned that words showing possession are my, our, his, her, its, their and your. We also learned the use of words showing possession. So in this way we achieved our SLO to identify and use words showing possession, my, your, his, her, our, their and its. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.